guys ever heard of Jack in the Box? Me either. We're fitting to try it up. You ever heard of Jack in the Box?
Never heard of Jack in the Box.
We got a Jack in the Box in Ohio?
No.
No Jack in the Box in
I
Ohio?
don't believe so. His teacher brought it up.
No jacking off in Ohio? Oh wow, guys. We will update you. Where are we at?
Indiana.
Indiana. We're in Indiana at Jack in the Box, right off of 70. So we'll check this out. Hey, look at them gas prices. Cheaper in Ohio. All right, guys. We'll update you. Well, I got the regular fries. Let's try these suckers out. Mmm. Those are good fries.
They are pretty good.
Yeah, we gotta try out this
The chicken sandwich is good.
spicy chicken sandwich. Let's try it out. Mm-hmm. Not bad. I wouldn't say it's go out of your way good, but I would say it tastes better than McDonald's.
Their fries are much better than
Oh
McDonald's.
yeah, I do like these fries.
Their fries are really
This is
good.
probably the best fast food fries I've
How
ever
are
had.
your curly fries, Chris?
Coming out of a joint like this.
Yeah, they're good.
Mm-hmm. Not bad. So, I'll give you guys an update later on how good it is. We're gonna sit here and eat. But as of now, check out Jack in the Box. Well, guys, overall, Jack in the Box was pretty good. I give it an 8 out of 10 for good food and good service. Service wasn't bad by any stretch of the means. It was pretty good. Food was really fresh. The only reason I give it an 8 out of 10 is because the pops sucked and the tables weren't that clean. But I'm Redneck. I don't care about that. Hi, Jack in the Box. Bye, wife.
Bye. I guess.
Next time.
All right. I guess I'm stranded.
Better get a job here.
I better.
Man, guys, 300 miles left to go. Wife is driving again. She's been driving for a while. It's almost my turn again. It was my turn, but I'm tired. So we're gonna get gas and probably switch here soon. We traveled through what, like 4 states?
Yep.
Missouri, and we went through Indiana, Illinois, and of course Ohio. It was a fun little trip. Definitely tiring though. Sitting in a car is not. It don't got my name on it. I can't. I gotta be doing something other than sitting here.
I think I'm the driver.
She's definitely the driver for sure, and she's doing good hauling that trailer back there. Hey, that Z-Force is on my ass. You better brake check him. You better back up, buddy.
You got 2 of them on your ass.
Got 2 of them. Man, they're hightailing it.
They are.
Man, they're gonna pass us. The way you drive. Just kidding. She hauling. Vroom, vroom. Oh man, I tell you what, guys, the people on these highways, wow, got their license out of the bottom of a Lucky Charm box. Telling you. Oh.
They don't know how to drive.
They don't know how to drive. So far, we haven't gotten too much road footage. I mean, we still got 300 miles left. You know, we come across anything more interesting, we'll definitely have something to show you. But really, I mean, it's all highway. Unless you guys want to see the Hampton Inn and the McDonald's and the truck stuff. I mean, nobody wants to see all that stuff. I'm only gonna put in the cool stuff, hopefully. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and let's grow this channel big. Big. Am I got gray hairs? Do I got gray hairs?
Yes, I know you do.
Oh.
I do too.
It's not old age. It's gray hair is not from old age. It's
Well, guys, we're in Kansas right now. It is so beautiful out here. We have about an hour till we get to Redneck Ranches.
yep.
So
Been
we're
driving
getting there.
for 13, 14 hours
Yes,
straight.
through.
We have
Literally,
93 miles left.
yes, we're literally almost there. But it is beautiful out here. Can't wait to make it.
Almost. Look at this, guys. This is a Redneck motel right here. We like it.
There will be one.
It's nice.
Very nice.
They got it done up real nice in here. Sweet. This is a nice camper. This is a big camper too. Bigger than ours. This is what probably the size of the one that we used to have. But it's nicer. It's a lot nicer. This is nice, guys.
Here, turn that off.
Get it, get it! Oh, give her the beans! She's fast. She'll scoot. Well, we made it
Sure did.
and stayed our first night here last night.
Yes.
The boys have been having a blast.
Doing awesome on the dirt bikes.
Yeah.
And I jumped a hill.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Still Steve's shit. Yep, I just stole Steve's shit. I don't know how to run it. Oh, I got Steve's shit.
What do you think of that toy?
Still upright.
Here, I'll take you for a ride. I'm out. The boys record us.
Okay.
Eddie's stealing my shit again. I got him in there. Stealing beast. He knows how to ride. You gonna get him? He straight jumped it right off of there. And you know, we was gonna go through there earlier, but it was pretty soft, and we just like screw it.
Well, I think the bottom of it.
Nah, guys, don't mind. That is not mud. That is all cow shit. I promise.
I need another beer, Steve.
Yeah, I know, right? time here in Kansas. We're gonna have plenty more videos coming for you. So this one's just a teaser. So get ready for what's coming, and we'll figure some stuff out. Probably do some farm work and all kinds of stuff around here. Just having fun, guys. Keep watching, stay tuned, and God bless.